tell Grandma what's the matter.
What's up, Bean? Really?
What is it?
What else, buddy? Tell me.
Are you making that up?
It's seriously hot out here, isn't it, Bean? It's really hot out here, Bean. It's terribly hot. I understand.
You did? Are you tattling?
Loki did it. Loki did it. Didn't he? Dog did it. That other dog did it.
Are you blaming your little brother?
Did Loki do that? Tell Grandma. Tell Grandma what he did. What did he do?
What Loki did? Are you snitching?
Are you swimming?
He's swimming on over here. Tell Grandma all about it. I know, it's terribly hot. We should get him a kiddie pool.
Yes, we should. They would love that. Bean loves to swim.
We're going to get him a little kiddie pool and we can put it out there near those bushes. We can keep them on their leash and they'd still play in it.
I don't know if Loki would. Loki doesn't like water.
Oh, I bet if they did, he would too.
What's up, Bean?
Bean jumped right